Ladies and gentlemen, this is a how-to video. You know how you get crazy glue or super glue on your fingers? That's how you get it off. Put some alcohol on your fingers first, rub them together, get that excess brittle off. Get you one of these that you use to scrub your feet with, or your fingers or whatever. I'm scrubbing my fingers with it today. You see all of that white right there and all of that? It gets that right off of there. And your hands will be smooth again. Cause I can't stand it when I get it on my hands. I hate it. I don't know about how y'all feel about it, but I hate it. And you can rub your fingers together a few times after you do it. Go back and forth in it, just all around your fingers where you feel it at. It'll come off. Eventually, you ain't got to scrub hard to burn your fingers off. Just a little bit. It'll come off and you get that smooth feel like you had once before. And that's how you do it. You see that little piece right there? I gotta scrub that soft because that part of the skin is soft. But over time, it'll come off of there. That's all you gotta do. Just scrub it. You see all of that on the, you might can't see it, but all of that off. Get all of that off. I can't stand to get super glue. I should use gloves or whatever, but I don't. Because I want to be precise with what I'm trying to use it for. So I just do what I do. But look at it. I can't stand it. Just make your fingers feel all tacky and sticky. But that's how you get it off. Then afterwards, like when you, oh my God, that feels awesome. That feels awesome. Just take a little chance on it. I promise you it'll work. I've been trying to figure out what works for the longest, and I just, came up with something just now. It wasn't all my idea, but it works. Oh my God, it works. That smooth feel right there. I ain't even put lotion or nothing on yet. That's the first hand. I gotta do this finger too. I got a little bit on both hands. But it feels awesome when it's off. I thought I was gonna have to wait days like I did the last time, but I didn't. So I'm so grateful that somebody thought of this. I don't know if somebody got a YouTube video about it or not, but it doesn't matter. Somebody gonna help somebody. That's why we in the game, to help people. You ain't trying to help nobody, you ain't doing that. You can even rub your finger across it like that. When it gets hard, you know it's on now. Oh my God, that feels all. Look at that. You see that little piece right there? I don't care if it get your nail a little bit. I just got to get it off them fingertips. You know how you used to having your fingers feeling a certain way? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video is helpful for some or maybe others. Leave a comment on what you're doing and how you did yours. And if you ever got some off. Thank you and have a blessed day. Woo! Ooh, that's awesome.
I love when you scratch all your skin off.